Hey YouTube, Jumpmaster RC coming at you with another bash video. Right now I've got the Typhon 3S out, and for those of you that don't know, this was actually my first RC car. Yes, it is very dirty. I don't think that I published the last bash video, but the last bash video that I had with this vehicle, I did snap the front A-arms, or one of the front A-arms actually. And so what I've done is I've replaced them with RPM A-arms, and I also took the vehicle out after that to test it, and one of the screws came out, so I ended up putting a locking nut on each side in order to hold them in place. So we'll see how that works out today. Guys, we're also running the Gen Ace Basher 8000 milliamp LiPo here, 3S LiPo, stock ESC and motor. I am looking for some really good replacement tires here. I'm looking for some street bashers, so if you guys have any ideas on really good tires, put a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. So the Typhon does have the steel spur gear. What I don't like about these wheels is that they balloon so much. So I guess this is as good of a time as any to announce that I've got a Typhon 6S that I picked up before the prices went up, and all the parts to go ahead and trugify it. So you'll be seeing that project coming to the channel soon. All right, let's see what we can do. Now that this Typhon, so this vehicle, I took the stock servo off of the Creighton and put it in here. I'm going to be doing the same. For those of you that are watching my other videos, you'll see the Vortex, in my Vortex video, the servo burnt out. So when I do the trugification to the Typhon 6S, and then also when I do the modifications to the Outcast 6S, which is also coming to the channel, that'll give me another stronger servo here. Beyond that, I guess we'll just be upgrading, you know, once that goes out. Son of a... Folks, I definitely don't like what I see. But if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. Jumpmaster RC, out.